Hi everybody, it's me, Carrie with MemoryInkers.com. I didn't check in with you guys last week on my Weight Watchers, which I am going to do today. I am also going to publish this on my blog today, where I will be sharing some info about this card. So I'm going to give you a quick tip after my Weight Watchers information. And it's because this is posting tomorrow, which is Valentine's Day. And this is the card that I made my husband, so I think he'll like it. But this does tie into Weight Watchers because part of it is we have to learn to love ourselves. And I admit that that is a bit of a struggle for me. But I'm doing okay. This is my fourth week. I'm in my fourth week at Weight Watchers. So I've got 3 weeks of weight loss because obviously the first week you're just weighing in. But so you guys have seen this the day that I joined, and you saw my before pictures the last time. And you also saw that on my first week, I lost 2.9 pounds, which is pretty exciting. And then last week, I didn't check in with you, but I lost 4.2 pounds. Woo! Go me! That was pretty exciting. I had a really good week. I exercised really well. Now, this week, I am going to tell you, I was really a little bit nervous to get on the scale because, as some of you know, I have some back issues. And when my back really hurts, my go-to pain reliever, which I know doesn't relieve pain, is Cheetos. Granted, I always ate baked or white cheddar Cheetos, which are lower, but they're still really high. So I've been eating veggie straws in half servings, which are 2 Weight Watchers points. And generally they're helping me get over the fact that I need to eat munchies, because a whole bag of Cheetos in one day is not that unusual for me. So it's a little bit scary, I know. But on Sunday, I did terrible. I ate like 13 points worth of veggie straws. It was crazy bad. Plus, I had some chocolate. Plus, I ate spaghetti. I did not get my little blue dot. For those of you on Weight Watchers know that that means you're in a good point range. So it was rough. And I was feeling very defeated. And I was feeling very much like I was self-sabotaging myself, which a lot of us tend to do. I know I do it, and I didn't want to do it. I don't want to do that anymore. So I really struggled going to my Weight Watchers meeting this morning because I still don't feel that great. But I went, and I am happy to report that I lost 1.2 pounds, and I got my 4-week Weight Watchers charm holder. I am all about reward. I am. I know it's terrible, but I love it when you guys press the like button on my videos. I love it when you guys comment nice things. I love those little things. And this, I have been waiting to be able to earn charms. So to get my little charm holder was like a huge thing for me today. And it actually made me feel better. And then, but it's Punchki Day, and I'm Polish, and my late mother used to always get us punchkis from Hamtramck, Michigan, which is like the place to go to get the bazillion calorie punchkis. But after she passed away, it just so happened that the Tuesday we were cleaning out her apartment was Punchki Day, and so we all had one as we were cleaning out her thing. And basically, there you can get a jelly donut and pretend. And so we've done it every year. Every year I've gotten a jelly-filled punchki. My kids always have one every year. I got a text from my daughter showing me hers. My son called me first thing in the morning to tell me Happy Punchki Day. It's a terribly fattening but yummy, yummy, delicious item, which I will post the pictures of. I don't know if you guys can see that, but let me pull this out. Because I actually did go after my Weight Watchers meeting in honor of my mom to get a punchki. But as you can see, I only ate 1/8 of it. And it's actually a jelly donut. So it's really not above here. Is something I found about punchkis. It's not anywhere near as fattening as these little babies are. But anyway, I was very, very excited about that, and I'm really excited that I have lost 8.2 pounds so far. So yay. I'm going to keep going. I encourage you to keep going, and I hope we're all doing fabulously on this program or whatever weight loss health issue program that you're doing. Now, as promised, I'm going to tell you a little bit about this card. Hold on one second. Okay, sorry. I just had to check how much time I had left on my recording. So, this card is done with this beautiful background paper that matches. It's in the Petal Passion Suite in the 2018 Occasions catalog with Stampin' Up! And I wanted to just show you quickly how I did this background. It's black and white paper. So, but I wanted it to have some pink to it. So I got my pink Pirouette ink out and my foam brayer. And these foam brayers, you really have to scoop them up pretty good. And then I just ran it back and forth across the paper to get it as pink as I wanted it to be. So, and you can see how easy that was to do. Obviously, I did it on a bigger piece. This was just a scrap, so I could show you guys. And then the heart was cut out with the Sweet and Sassy framelits, which you can see have a ton of heart shapes. It's really awesome. It's in the annual catalog, the big annual catalog. It's number 141707 in case you're interested in that. And then for the background, I used the, I always have to look up what they're called, the metallic foil doilies. They come in silver and gold. And what I did was I laid them on behind the heart. This was after I stamped it, of course. And then I cut out what these parts, like that would be wasted basically here. And I used them to tie it in down here at the bottom. And so if you look real close, it isn't perfect. The beautiful silver edged white ribbon. And anyway, this is my card for my husband. I'm going to try to sneak it into his work bag. It's so hard though, because he's always throwing stuff in his bag at the last minute. Anyway, this is the stamp set I used, Petal Palette. I used this flower and then this I Just Love You stamp set. And so there we are for today. I got my charm. I've lost 8 pounds. Life is good. I'm very, very happy. I hope that you will consider following me on my weight loss journey. You can click the button down here on YouTube, or you can go to my memoryinkers.com and follow me if you're into crafting. I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, so I would love to hear your comments. I would love to know what you think. And have a fabulous, fabulous day, and happy Valentine's Day to everybody. Love yourself. That is the biggest thing that I'm learning. We have to love ourselves. Have a fabulous day. Bye.